pa. We just want to say thank you for everything. I am not here because of you, because of your sacrifices. I just want to say thank you so much. Yeah, we plan to go here, attend our wedding together with our whole family, but things happen. But for me, I think God has planned for us. Everything has a reason. So yeah, see you next year. Mama, Papa, and we miss you a lot. I miss my cat also. Yeah, thank you so much, and hopefully, please bless us for our new journey together with Dolly, my husband. Thank you so much for all the blessings, for all the love that you have given to us. Yeah, thank you so much, and see you soon.
Hello, Papa, Mama, and Anthony. It's me, Louis speaking. I would like to say thank you for your support and your trust, especially for me. That today we are here, me and Eliza, on our wedding day finally. I cannot say much. This I can promise you that I will take care, I will guide, and I will provide for Eliza till the end of my life. You can keep my word on this. Please bless us and pray for us. Thank you, Papa and Mama. See you soon.
Dapat ku balas cintamu sayangku. and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to present a special song performance by choir from Group's family. First song is Hari Bahagia and the second song is Jehovah Tutu Si Paramahan Alu. Selanjutnya kita akan mendengarkan sebuah lagu yang sangat spesial yang akan dibawakan oleh kor keluarga Panjaitan, yaitu Hari Bahagia, dan dilanjutkan dengan lagu kedua Jehovah Tutu Si Paramahan Alu.